Hey friends and family, Casey here with an updated video reminder about how to e-file using 2290 Tax. If you filed with us before, odds are good that we've got all the details you need already in your account, so just come on over to the site and log in. Once you're in, you'll see these 5 big blue boxes. Click on the one that says Add or Edit Vehicles in your fleet. Then review your trucks here. If these are the ones you want to file for, great. Check this box for each vehicle you want and let's get going. If you need to add or delete or edit something, great. You can do that from this page as well. Think of this as your work paper. This page isn't connected to the IRS, so it's where you can take your time and get it just right without the pressure of e-file on your shoulders. Once your fleet is the way you want it to be, then you're ready to e-file. Just click here to start your return. It'll put you right here on step 1, and from there you can simply review and double check that all the details we remembered for you are correct and fill in any blanks. The most frequently missed blank is the name of the officer or owner and that person's title. That's usually someone like the president of your business, or the CEO, or the treasurer, or even just an officer. Anything like that will do. Don't forget this section. We don't fill it out for you. Once this page is all filled in, then save and continue down here at the bottom. On step 2, you'll simply use this ugly yellow and red button to pull your vehicles into the return from the fleet list. Review that and your tax due date to be sure you're happy with everything, and again, save and continue. Save all the way through, select your payment method as you go, review your return. Don't forget to check these boxes, and charge your credit card to submit. You'll receive your stamped Schedule 1 in 15-20 minutes via email, and that is it. Call us with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more 2290 tips and tricks.